You might want to prank someone or just want to send a random blank message. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send blank message on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first off, you have to open up your browser or your Safari app. And what we're going to search for is a blank character. Now search that up on your search engine and click on the search with the site that says compart.com. So tap on this one. And as you can see, there is a blank character that is shown right at the center of the page. Now what we're going to do is to press and hold on this blank character space right here. And something should be selected. So just click on copy. And now let's go to WhatsApp and open up that conversation with your friend that you want to send the blank message to. Now tap on this text space right here and let's press and hold and click on paste. Now as you can see, there is the send button that pops up, which means that we can send that blank space character. So you can do that how often as you like, and that blank space should be sent to your friend on WhatsApp. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.